Good morning to all of you. Here we continue again with the for loops. So we are with the series questions. We will continue with the series. Hope so you people are able to trace it out, and if you are having any problem, please try to communicate to me. There is an internal message system of our school portal. From there you can have it. I think so your class teachers might have uploaded in your WhatsApp groups, and while looking to that, you can if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And or the other way, as the other students are there doing, they have subscribed it, and they just send me the doubts through the YouTube inbox. I read it out and I try to explain it in almost every video. Whatever the problem is, I try to resolve those problems. So if you are having any problem, you have either both the options. Either you subscribe the channel and then get the message done through the inbox. I will read it out and I will try to explain the things, or through the internal message system if you are able to. Then, because in previous one I had taught you two things. One is the double type variable, which is going to hold a value, then it will have a result it will have a dot zero. And another way was the typecasting, using the same integer s. Then you have to typecast the math functions. So remember the math library functions, if you are using an INTS, they must be typecasts. Alright. And otherwise you have to be very sure that the variable who is going to receive the value or store the answer, that must be a double one. So depending upon a choice, you got the three methods of writing the square questions. And today the focus of mine is to go through your positive and the negative values. If a series is 1, -2, then +3, then -4, then +5, -6, if such is the questions, then what logic we have to implement here. Then here again two types of logics will be shown to you. The first one you will be finding it is an easy one because it becomes, but the second one is my favorite one, and it's a good one. Try to do it with that. We will have one variable. We will take an extra variable, suppose t, and in every iteration means every updation, in every change, I will make it either a positive or I will be making it either a negative one. So likewise the questions has to be solved in, and we will be solving it out likewise. So you have to capture both, whichever you find it easy. But as stated, the second one is a good one, easy one, because its line consumption will be less. You can remember it, and you can utilize it in a proper way. So focus, why I am saying this, you have to focus on the second one, indirect way, but you need to know everything. So I will be showing you both the techniques. So let's proceed with the series so that you understand. Theoretically everything cannot be explained. Let's proceed to the program. You have to find the sum of the series s equals to 1 -2 +3 -4 +5 -6 ... up to n terms. How many terms? Up to n terms. Alright, so now here we go. Now what logic can be implemented by seeing this? Now these are all the even numbers. So even number will get subtracted from the sum, and all the odd numbers will be added to the sum. This is the first logic which we are going to implement here. One thing, this is part of a logic. Now the second part of the logic. From where does my loop runs? Now here straight away it's given from 1. Your loop is starting from 1 and it's going up to n terms. Now how many iterations it takes? It takes a single iterations, and that is a adding up one value. Increment of 1 is done because loop is changing from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Is it? So let's move on with the program. Import java.util.asterisk class abc void main. Now scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. Class 9 students are not watching the videos. The views, number of views are less. Either they know it or they are unable to understand, or if they are in a dilemma that afterwards we can learn computers, then you are totally wrong. Please beta, it's an appeal to you all. Keep on up to date, keep yourself up to date with me. You should move with me. If you are lagging behind, then it's you people are in a huge trouble. Then you people will be in. And please utilize the time. Video, it takes a lot of patience for me to make it out. So please watch it out. And secondly, you people in class 9th are the board students. The paper comes from the board. Is it? So what is going to come? Nobody knows. So be focused and do it. Now what are the variables required here? We require a I loop, we require a n for the limit. We don't know what's the limit is, and we need a sum s, because since it is a positive and negative, it is a integers only, no decimal values. Therefore I had kept it as an s. Now s value it is there. System.out.println, enter the size n equals to sc dot next empty method. Now here you got the size, you have asked for the size. Now for loop, so for starts from 1, it goes up to n less than equals to n and I plus plus. Is it? No. If the number is even, then what happens? S equals to s minus I. Is it? If it is odd, then s equals to s plus I. Close the loop and then print it out. Sum of the series plus s, main close, class close. Now let's stress it out. If n value is 3, then what will be my sum of the series? 1 minus 2 plus 3. So it will be 3, 1, 4, 4 minus 2, 2. You will be getting it an answer as a 2. Is it? So s value is 0. Now for I equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 3. True. Now 1 mod 2 equals to 0. It enters into the loop, condition is checked. So it becomes false, 1 mod 2. So it goes to else. So s equals to 0 minus 1. Is it? ये माइनस 1 है बेटा, ये माइनस 1 हो जाएगा. तो आंसर कितना हो जाएगा? -1 0 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो इट्स अ -1 है. s value is -1. Then I value changes to 2, 2 less than equals to 3. Again 2 is checked now. From here it goes to the increment, and then again the 2 is checked. So 2 mod 2 equals to 0. True. So s equals to -1 plus 2. Again it's -1. जो भी होगा आंसर देख लेना. I equals to 3, 3 less than equals to 3. सो 3 mod 2 इक्वल्स टू 0 फॉल्स, एल्स में चला गया s इक्वल्स टू -1 प्लस 3, यार ये तो 2 आ गया, तो यहाँ 2 आएगा आंसर। ठीक है, पहले ही वाला सही था, मैथ्स कमजोर हो गया लग रहा है। ऐसे कैसे गड़बड़ हो गई क्या? -1 हो गया, यहाँ 2 हो गया। ओहो, मैं ही मोर पता कर दिया, यहाँ पे 1 होगा नहीं, यहाँ 1 होगा बेटा, इज इट 1 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे 3 4 हो जाएगा, 4 हो जाएगा। आप लोग होशियार हो, कर लेना यार। ठीक है, दिस इज हाउ व्हाट द ट्रेसिंग इज, rest you can do it. I am a computer teacher, not your mathematics teacher. Now the second method, this is the second method. So again we start from import java.util .strict class abc void main scanner s equals to new scanner system dot in. So here we go, int I, you have a s and you have a t, we take another variable t. So s equals to 0, t equals to 1. The first one is the positive. This will give you the accurate. Second method is the most accurate method. This is what the logic can be implemented, the first one, but this one is better one. Is it? No. For I equals to 1, oh sorry, so plan enter the limit n equals to sc dot next and t method. ठीक है, क्योंकि 1 यहाँ पे मेरा पॉजिटिव है ना, तो इसलिए t की वैल्यू 1 रखा है यहाँ पे, 1 into 1 पॉजिटिव। For I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. S equals to s plus I into t. And next one, t equals to t into -1. For loop close, so plan sum of series प्लस एस, मेन क्लोज क्लास क्लोज। n की वैल्यू 3 लिया, s की वैल्यू 0 लिया, t की वैल्यू 1, i इक्वल्स टू 1, 1 लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 3 ट्रू। ठीक है, s इक्वल्स टू 0 प्लस 1 इंटू 1। ठीक है, तो कितना हो गया 1। अब t कितना हो गया 1 इंटू -1, तो t की वैल्यू हो गई -1। द करंट वैल्यू ऑफ t इज -1। ठीक है, फिर i की वैल्यू हो गई 2, 2 लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 3 ट्रू। s की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई 1 इंटू 2 इंटू -1। ठीक है, सॉरी s प्लस है ना, यहाँ प्लस होगा 1 प्लस 2 इंटू -1, तो कितना हो गया 1 - 2। अब t कितना हो गया -1 इंटू 1 -1। अब t की करंट वैल्यू हो गई 1। ठीक है, फिर i की वैल्यू हो गई 3 लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 3, s इक्वल्स टू 1 - 2 प्लस 3 इंटू 1, सो 1 - 2 प्लस 3। अब t की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई 1 इंटू -1, फिर t की वैल्यू हो गई -1। This is what it's happening there. Now let's proceed to the another one. Sum of the series s equals to 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus 5 square dot n terms. This is the series. Now import java.util. s2 class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in क्या चाहिए int I s मैथ डॉट पॉ यूज करोगे कि I into I यूज करोगे डिपेंड्स ऑन यू I am going to use the I into I is it so s is there t so s0 t equals to 1 t is 1 clear now because लूप कहाँ से शुरू हो रहा 1 से कहाँ तक जाएगा n तक इंक्रीमेंट कितना हो रहा 1 तो 2 हो जा रहा फिर एक इंक्रीमेंट हुआ 3 फिर 1 सो फॉर I equals to 1 so plan enter the limit we'll go for the limit n equals to sc dot next int method now for I equals to 1 I less than equals to n I plus plus s equals to s plus I into t t equals to t into minus 1 close so blank sum of series is plus s main close class close this is one of the sum of the series hope so you can trace it out 1 into 1 1 square into t and 2 into 2 2 square into t is it this is how you have to do this and let's move on to the another one sum of the series x to the power 1 plus x to the power 2 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4 dot 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 and terms is it now import java dot util dot string class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in ठीक है now what required int I एक चाहिए एक x चाहिए एक n चाहिए ठीक है और एक डबल s चाहिए और s की वैल्यू 0.0 मैथ डॉट पाव यूज करेंगे now x is the base now loop is in the power what is changing the power is changing is it when power is changing so loop is my whichever changes that is loop my so plan enter the limit n equals to sc dot next empty method so plan enter the value of x जिसके ऊपर पावर लगाना आपको x sc डॉट नेक्स्ट टाइम x भी इनपुट होगा ठीक है फॉर लूप चलाएंगे फॉर i इक्वल्स टू 1 कहाँ से चल रहा है देखो 1 2 3 4 कहाँ तक जा रहा है x टू द पावर n तक जाएगा i लेस देन इक्वल्स टू n i प्लस प्लस s इक्वल्स टू s प्लस हम यहाँ करेंगे मैथ डॉट पावर किसके ऊपर पावर लगा रहे हो x के ऊपर पावर लगा रहे हो किससे लग रहा है i से पावर लग रहा है जब i 1 है तो x के पावर में 1 आया जब i 2 हो रहा है तो x के पावर में 2 जब i 3 हो रहा है तो x के पावर में 3 ठीक है सो प्लस सम इज प्लस s मेन क्लोज क्लास क्लोज थैंक यू